Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete photos from Google Photos on your iPhone. To delete photo from your Google Photos on iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your Google Photos. You want to open up the photo app on your iPhone. So once you open up the photo app, so what I want you to do is this. If you check the top right corner, you're going to see where it says select. So tap on that select. So once you tap on the select, it will ask you to select the photos you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this, this, and this. So once you select everything you want to delete, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see a delete icon over there. So just tap on that delete icon, and these photos will be deleted from your Google Photos successfully. So guys, but let me now show you how to delete them permanently, because anything you delete from here will still go to your trash page, to your trash, and stay there for like up to 60 days before it can be deleted permanently. But this is what you want to do. I want you to just scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see recently deleted. So I want you to tap on that recently deleted. So once you tap on this recently deleted, it will load up the photo you deleted recently. So you just have to clear them off from that trash, and the photos will be deleted permanently from your Google Photos. See, so guys, this is how you can actually delete any photos from your Google Photos on iPhone. If this helped you, subscribe. Thanks for watching.